A delegation from the National Investment Bank (NIB), led by the Managing Director, Chief Dr. Doliwura Zakaria, met with the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honourable Alban Bagbin, on March 26 to discuss the partnership. Dr. Zakaria outlined several benefits, including a significant reduction in interest rates on loans from 29 to 18%.
We want to thank government for recapitalizing and making provision in the national budget. Indeed, we were supposed to receive the money per our arrangement with the IMF. Indeed, we are supposed to get the money by 31st. But we are appealing through the leadership and the Right Honourable Speaker that we are able to get the total amount released to us as indicated in the budget. Indeed, this particular year, running from losses for the past 4 years, we are going to declare profit for the year. By the end of this year, we will declare profit. Our presence here is to let Mr. Speaker know that first, we are coming in to reduce interest rate from the 29 to 18% so that we can do business with Parliament. So we are providing exceptional service, and even those who have already gone, we are going to reduce it in that line to be able to take advantage of the situation from 29 to 18%. And we are also proceeding from the personal loan of 500 to 600,000, from 500,000 to 600,000, and from the monitoring from 600,000 to 1.1 million. So this is what we are coming to provide Parliament with. Indeed, our competitors is able to have foresight and to be able to project into the future. And coming from both the public sector and from the private sector, I believe sincerely that we can provide better customer experience, including able to serve you in the night at any particular hour that you want. Even in the month of February, we made a profit. Even in the month of February, we made a profit. And I'm happy to state that when I joined it, first 1 week, I increased salary by 50% to motivate, because staff motivation was very low, 50%. That was the increment I did to start. So we are assuring the Right Honourable Speaker that this is not to say A or B, but we are here to do the work. And we need the support of Parliament, we need the support of Ghanaians, because technically NIB is 100% wholly owned by the state. So if you put your 1 cedi in NIB, you are investing in Ghana. And one of the ways we can reduce this issue of forex is to invest in NIB. And once you invest in NIB, we are also going a long way to provide employment for our brothers and sisters all over. We are the only bank who can go through hinterlands to be able to do.
Speaker Bagbin expressed his support for the initiative, promising to expedite the process by engaging Parliament's leadership. This partnership is expected to provide Parliament workers with access to affordable credit and investment opportunities, thereby promoting financial inclusion and stability.
I think that we in Ghana have been joking with our banking sector. We create banks which should be owned by us, but we treat them as if they belong to somebody else. We are the shareholders of our banks, whether it's NIB, ADB, Ghana Commercial Bank. We are the shareholders. But we rather decide to do business with other banks and not our banks. But once profit is made by those other banks, those profits go to the owners of those banks and not us. Our banks that we should be doing business with to create profits and share the profit for ourselves, we deny ourselves that opportunity. And that is why we are having these challenges in our economy. The businesses are all collapsing. There's no employment creation. We have a lot of unemployed youth. And so it's really heartwarming. And in fact, we are excited that you just announced these things to us. It's really good news. And I'm sure many members of our economy will start looking at doing business with NIB. We have almost about 1,000, if not more, in this community, the parliamentary presence. The staff is about the figure you were talking about, 700. The MPs are 276. You have the police service is almost 400. You have the fire service personnel, they're all here. We have the National Service Ambulance. Then we have the Ghana Health Service. We run a whole medical center here. Doctors and all the health personnel, they are here. Happy that you are moving closer to us, like we are also moving closer to the people. And you are part of the people. And so you are most welcome with this good news. We will refocus our attention in dealing and transacting our business with your bank.
Dennis Ajay Ado's report for TV Africa News.